Plant video, roll one, scene one, take one. And action!
Are you ready to DIY? Bye.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I'm super excited to be making this one. Just to start out, I've been making this video since mid-November and it's now mid-December, so it's taken a while to get out to you. Just for some inspiration pictures, it was supposed to look like this and like this. And I think I got pretty close. So when I said I started this video in mid-November, I mean like I got halfway through making this video with a completely different set of plants and tools and materials, and I just wasn't happy with it. So I thought, why don't I just start over again? And that's what you're watching right now. So let's talk about the different things that you're gonna need to make this DIY. You're gonna need a metal grid. So this was the hardest part for me to find. Personally, I found mine on the Facebook Marketplace after getting super lucky. I would definitely look around at places like Valley Village or even stores that are closing, see if you can buy some of the fixtures off of them. Good luck. So the second thing you're gonna need are obviously plants. And if you don't have plants, why are you making this?
Go buy yourself a plant.
And the third most important thing that you're going to need is some sort of metal wire. Any kind of wire that you have laying around that you're able to twist and that is malleable. The first step was getting the metal grid up to my apartment, which was like 7 subway stops away, but it was definitely worth it. The second thing I did was I treated myself and I went and bought some new plants.
What are we doing?
We're gonna be plotting some plants. Get out of my frame. So today...
Are you the only one who's mic'd up?
Yes! Alright, so today we're gonna be potting some of my new plants so they can go on my wall and be beautiful. Need some dirt. Just get some from Dollarama. Oh, this has hummus in it. So, not to be confused, it's this kind of hummus, not this kind of hummus. So, I think we're just gonna mix them together and then...
They're both good for snacking too.
I can just eat some dirt.
Yeah.
You wanna?
Blooper reel? You do that and I do it with the dirt.
Ew. After I finished potting the plants, I went into my room and gave my wall a good scrub. The next thing I did was me and Calvin worked on the metal hoops that would hold the plants in place. This part was not so fun. The metal that I picked was actually really difficult to bend into different ways, but we got through it. Once we had the metal bent into hoop shapes, then we worked on attaching them to the grid, which was also super difficult. I think working with the wire was the hardest part of this whole thing. Once we had them all attached, we were ready to start putting the plants in them. So once all the plants were up on the wall, then it was all the fun parts. It was decorating. I put my pictures and my fairy lights on, and I think it just turned out really beautifully. This DIY was really fun to do, even though it took me a really long time and a couple of different attempts. So in the end, I'm really proud of how it turned out. It's one of my favorite parts of my room now. It gives my plants a place to live. I get to look at them every day. Oh, I hope the camera's getting it because this is so beautiful. I know it is, but like, I'm so excited about this. It looks so pretty. I'll do like a pan over with the camera with all the lights on, and then I want to turn all the lamps off, and then do a pretty look.
Okay.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all I have for today. And I hope you like the style of video. Consider subscribing to me, maybe give the video a like, a comment, that'd be super sweet. I hope you like the setup. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.